One of the most well-known and recognizable tire brands in the off-road industry is Toyo tires, and for good reason. Toyo is known for the reputation for having high-quality, high-performing tires built for the automotive enthusiasts by automotive enthusiasts, including us off-roaders. Hey, what's up guys? Josh from Trail Built, and in today's video, we're gonna be taking a close look at the newly redesigned Toyo Open Country All-Terrain known as the AT3 that you can find right here on trailbuiltoffroad.com. So make sure and smash that subscribe button so that way you guys can hold on to the ride with us. Also guys, real quick, before we get into our Toyo review, there are only a few days left for your chance to win a set of Method race wheels, as it will be ending this Friday, June 19th at 11 a.m. Central Standard Time. So make sure and get entered today at trailbuiltoffroad.com/giveaway, or we'll also have a link posted in the description below. With that said, let's go check out our new Toyo AT3. Ready? Let's go. As a tire company that has been named the #1 overall brand by North American tire dealers an unprecedented 7 times since the year 2000, there's no doubt that Toyo's reputation precedes itself because of a commitment they have to produce the best performing tires on the market since 1945. Today, the Toyo company has remained dedicated to advancing the technology of the manufacturing of their tires and have been leaders in testing of new materials and creating tires that are perfect for all vehicles in all kinds of weather, driving conditions, and off-road terrain. Since we don't have a full set here to test out, I hit up my buddy Joe Bacall from Throwing It Sideways on YouTube. Joe is a professional stunt driver, trophy truck racer with 3 Baja 1000 wins under his belt, an off-road driving instructor, a product development tester for multiple large-name tire brands like Toyo, for example, and has over 20 years of experience doing what he does. Joe has also been extensively involved in the development of the new Open Country AT3s and has provided us with some pretty cool and exclusive information on them as to how they perform. Toyo's Open Country All-Terrain model line began with the off-road enthusiast in mind to develop a tire that not only performs really well on road, but can also handle the abuse and the demands that off-road enthusiast needs to have in a crossover tire. Yes, it may be labeled an all-terrain from Toyo, but to me, an all-terrain tire leans more towards street use, made for multiple weather conditions, and road comfort and fuel economy are rated higher than mud, sand, or snow traction, whereas a crossover, a hybrid tire, or rugged terrain tire is designed to be used more for those of us that are looking for a great on-road tire, but we also need a high-performing off-road tire that has an aggressive tread design, bulky shoulder lugs, and aggressive side biters for that lateral traction while off-roading to keep us moving down some of the most precarious trails, and at the end of the day can still get us home without sacrificing on-road handling. And that's exactly what Toyo did with these new AT3s, plus they also look great. One of the most noticeable changes from the Open Country AT2 when compared to the AT3 is their tread design pattern. Toyo designed the tread pattern with these staggered S-shaped tread blocks that are quite bulky to help with the rigidity of these tread blocks and have these sharp and defined edges to really hook up and grip the terrain that's under it, especially when aired down. Plus, with all of these multi-waved sipes in the tread blocks and shoulder lugs, you'll really be able to notice how well these AT3s will provide you with exceptional traction on ice, snow, or wet road conditions to really bite and grip when accelerating or braking. In fact, the new AT3s now have a 3 snowflake rating compared to the AT2s, which only had a 2 snowflake rating, giving you a bit of extra confidence in the snow as well. When the engineers were designing the tread pattern and the tread compound, they designed it in a way that's not only aggressive and long-lasting, but created it to really help tame the road noise and provide a responsive steering feel as well. In fact, one of the main features that our friend Joe had mentioned in his testing is how well the tire handled the varying road conditions and the exceptional responsiveness of the AT3's ability to handling those varying road conditions. Joe had stated to us that when he was performing hard turns on the snow or wet roads, that he noticed the tires held their line much better than other competitors' tires that were also tested, and how the AT3s didn't what's called step out as much as the other tires did. Even with these massive tread blocks, shoulder lugs, and tread voids, these AT3s still have a 3+ rating for on-road handling, for comfort and performance. You'll also notice these massive voids in between the tread blocks that will really help in evacuating that hard-packed snow, mud, sand, or any other loose debris, and will help keep you moving down the trail. And with these raised angled side biters, you can have confidence that they'll provide extra protection to the sidewall from trail damage like cuts or punctures, and will provide additional traction to keep you moving through the ruts or when air down. Another great advantage with these AT3s are that they're available in 123 different sizes, including P-metric sizes, light truck metric sizes, and light truck flotation sizes as well. The light truck or LT AT3s also have these increased raised sidewall cleats to provide even a little bit more sidewall protection and traction when off-road compared to the P-metric tires as well. For a tire that is built from a reputable high-quality company like Toyo, has a 50,000-mile warranty for the truck tires, a 65,000-mile warranty for the P-metric sizes, and advanced off-road capability with exceptional reputation of on-road performance, there's no wonder as to why this new AT3 is just killing it in the all-terrain and crossover tire market. And if any of you are currently running the new AT3s and have some additional feedback, or even how you like them, just let us know in the comments below. Or even if you have any questions on the new AT3s, let us know. Or you can also check them out right on our website. It's trailbuiltoffroad.com. Plus, we'll also have a link posted in the description below. All right, guys, well, that is all that we have for you today. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, thumbs up to like the video, and as always, we appreciate all of you for watching. I'm Josh from TrailBuilt, and we'll see you guys out in the trails.